Hi guys, and welcome back to our tutorial series. In today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to play different footstep sounds when you walk on different objects. I did this previously using triggers and that didn't work out so well. This time we're going to be using the player's character controller to check what is hitting and play the right sound. As you can see, I've got two objects with textures of wood and metal. This one is tagged as wood, so I suggest you do that first, and this one is metal. Now if you've got how to do a tag, click on this option over here, then add tag at the bottom. Also, I'll tell you right now that to add a tag called terrain, so we can use it in a minute. Okay, so the first thing I actually am going to do is create the terrain itself. So create terrain. The reason to this is people have been asking me, how do you get sound effects to play on terrains? And I'm going to show you that now. So it's a bit too big still. I'm going to set the resolution quickly. I actually don't care about the textures right now, so just going to add something though, so I won't get confused what is what. Just going to add a quick, simple grass texture to this, 50 by 50, and this should be alright. Gravel. Okay, save it. Now let's create the script we need for this. So right click on your FPS script folder and create a new JavaScript. Call this walking sound, sorry. Walking sounds. Double click and open Model Develop. Alright. We don't want program strict or function start. Let's define the variables we need. First one's going to be var audio timer. It's going to be a type float. It's going to be equals to 0. Next one's going to be var wood sound. It's going to be type audio clip. Next one's going to be var metal sound. It's going to be a type audio clip as well. This one's pretty straightforward. In the update we just want to check the timer, so make sure it can't go less than 0 or above 0. So as soon as it goes above 0, count down back to 0. S audio, I put audio timer, that's my fault, sorry. So we're going to say if open bracket close bracket open curly brace close curly brace, if open bracket close bracket open curly brace close curly brace. Save it. Basically what we're going to say is audio timer is greater than 0, then you guessed it, audio timer minus equals time dot delta time. Next one, audio timer is less than 0, then audio timer equals 0. That's the first part done. Now for the extra collision detection from an object to an object. For this, like I said, we're going to be using something called on controller collider hit, which is built in with Unity. So function on controller collider hit open bracket call. This is going to be the variable checking for collision. It's going to be a type controller collider hit open bracket, sorry, close bracket, open curly brace and closing curly brace. Now let's start checking what we're hitting. So we're going to say if open bracket close bracket open curly brace close curly brace. I'm going to say if call dot game object dot compare tag open bracket close bracket speech marks, and I'm going to say wood. So if we hit an object wood, do something, and input dot get axes open bracket close bracket speech marks vertical that's your WS and up and down arrow keys, and N audio equals 0, or it's going to separate this, easy to read. Just copy from here all the way up to audio timer, and make sure you place it after the or. So it's something like that, and put this as horizontal. Okay, that's that done. And then we're just going to say over here, audio dot clip equals wood sound, audio dot play sound, oops, play one shot, sorry, open bracket, close bracket, closing semicolon, wood sound in this, and inside this, which that's fine, yeah, okay. At the end, all we're going to do is we're going to say audio timer is equals to 0.4, and that should wait literally 4 seconds before it loops the sound again, so it won't overlap itself basically. Copy this one more time, paste it down here, call this one metal sound for this one, and metal sound in this, and copy this once again and paste it here, and turn this to terrain. So if you're walking in the terrain, play the wood sound for now. You can have whatever sound you want. For tutorial purposes, I'm just going to put wood sound. Save it. Go back into Unity, let it update. Make sure we've got no errors. Yes, we have. Where is metal sound? There. It's supposed to be metal sound, not metal sound. Alright, it's gone. Add this script onto your main player. Add sounds. I've got the sounds already, so dirt. The next one is metal sound. Got it. Also, on the main player, you want to add an audio source, so go to component, audio, and audio source, and you're done. So let's find out if this works. So there's the wood, there's the metal. If I walk on the wood, I should get the wood sound. Excellent. That's if I'm pressing the D, it comes. A, S, and W. Up and down, and left, right, and arrow keys work as well. Alright. Metal works. Oh, if you do notice that, I'm going to be teaching you also the dot for the laser sight, because you can see in this it also blinds the enemies if they have the right things attached to the camera, which we'll be covering very soon. But now for the main one, does it work with the terrain? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Hold on, did I tag it? Nope, I didn't tag it. Tag your terrain as terrain. Save it and do that now. So you know the wood and metal works. The main one is just that one there. There you go. That's how you get sound to come up from a train. Alright, so that concludes this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the laser pointer dot, and then after that, the elevator. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.